We get a lot of sunshine here in Southeast Texas, and we like to spend all of our time outside.
So what really drew us to this property was the fact that we could have 2 acres of land right in the heart of League City. So before we had this cover, it was so hot back here. The sun comes right from that angle, that direction. So it was always beating against the back of our house. We really couldn't enjoy the outdoor living space during the summer, which is why we started to look at getting the cover done.
Probably about 2.5 years I had been looking for a contractor, and so the Allied commercials started popping up. A lot of the comments that I was seeing from people were that they were very pleased with the final product that they got from Allied. So that's why I decided to reach out, and Allied sent somebody by here really quick. So he envisioned really what we have. He spoke about the different products that could be used to bring down the temperature out here, and we felt comfortable with him. We felt that he was probably the most knowledgeable person that we had in our backyard looking at our project, and we decided to continue the conversation just based on how comfortable we felt with the representative.
Being able to actually see in 3D what the space was going to end up being transformed into was so helpful, and I really appreciated that on the drawings we could move things around. We could install lights, we could install plugins, the fans. He even at one point put furniture in it so that we could see what that would look like, and it really helped even give us a little bit extra layer of comfort knowing that we were going with the right contractor, because he really did listen to everything that we were saying. We would absolutely recommend Allied to friends, family, neighbor. The whole experience in getting the project done, from the first communication that we had to even get somebody out here for a quote to completion of the project and even beyond, has just been simple and enjoyable. If home renovations can be simple and enjoyable, this was it for us.
Yeah.